Click on the start button and let your computer do the rest of the job. If you come back after a month, you've got yourself a decent profit of approximately 1,000 bucks. And in today's video, I'm about to walk you through the entire process of mining Ethereum from your laptop or PC for free as a complete beginner, and this method is available in 2022. Personally, I think that this is the perfect time to start mining Ethereum, and I'm going to explain exactly why just in a bit. There is a huge opportunity on the market, and if we speculate on that and take full advantage of it, we might be on some serious profits every single day, and it will not require you any type of tech or any type of expensive stuff for you to get started. We are not going to use any other equipment in order to mine Ethereum, and instead you're going to need your CPU and your GPU. So we're going to use your computer resources in order to turn into cash, and you won't even have to supervise the process. It's going to be 100% automatic, so you know, make sure you're making money automatically. And not only this is a passive income, but I'm going to show you some bonus tips and tricks that will help you maximize your profits and double and even triple your earnings. So if you're ready for that, and if you think this is suitable for you and you are eager to give it a try, then all you have to do is simply drop us a like and subscribe to the channel so we can bring you more content like this on the daily basis. So with that said, let's jump into the computer and get started with today's strategy. So in today's strategy, the first website which I would like you to come to is called Ethereum.org. And in Ethereum.org, you're gonna have a lot of possibilities to gain different knowledge when it comes to cryptocurrency, when it comes to Ethereum. So you can see here more information about what Ethereum is, what's Ether, decentralized finance, DeFi, and here as well you're gonna be able to pick your wallet so you can start getting profits from your cryptocurrency mining. So if you follow all the steps, I will show you how you will be able to do this. So you can see here is your portal in the world of Ethereum. The tech is new and ever evolving, and it helps to have a guide. So here what I recommend you to do is you want to dive. So if you want to dive on it, you can pick the wallet, you can get Ethereum, you can use that, and you can start building. And here you're gonna find all the information about Ethereum. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency that is used by many other cryptocurrencies. So all the speculations is like Ethereum is gonna go over the moon very soon. And here, if you wanna pick up a wallet, you can just click on pick a wallet, and here you will be able to connect to your MetaMask, or you can access Explore dApps. You can access DeFi, you can withdraw with your bank, or you can get decentralized tokens, high volume purchases, limit protection, multi-signature accounts, and you can even buy crypto with your card. So it's a good opportunity for you to come here, check it out, and you can see that you will gain different benefits from this website when it comes to Ethereum. You know, so many different alternatives. So here you can see how you can use your Ethereum wallets. Here you can find different decentralized applications. You can run out stable coins, or even you can stake Ethereum. So Ethereum staking means that you're gonna be gathering more Ethereum, and then you'll be getting different percentage and different commissions on the Ethereum that you accumulate. And this is the best thing about this, is all passively, you know. And let me show you something. If you go into the cryptocurrency charts, now the price of Ethereum is $2,000. 772, which means going up now, but it's been very bad over the last few days, and this is like what we consider very cheap in the market, you know. So what I would advise you to do is to invest in Ethereum, you know, right away, because it's a great opportunity. And this is by no means financial advice. I'm not telling you where you should invest your money, but I'm telling you where I'm investing my money. So I'm investing all my money in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and as well I've invested some money in Solana not long ago. So you know, I feel like for you to explore, it would be good that you come here, you can have a look at the Ethereum protocol, and you can see all the different things that they're doing and what the different different plans, you know. And if you want to find out more about the exchange rates or how much you will be getting exactly for your cryptocurrency mining, you can go to this website, which is called exchangerate.guru, and here in this website you can see all the different cryptocurrency exchanges, how much you will be getting from each of the coins, and so on. So very valuable information you can get here and quickly exchange. You can put here the amount, and then very quickly you just get your currency on the other side, you know. So very trustworthy. So you can just come here and it'll be very actual, you know, this exchange rate. So something, because you can see, as you know, obviously the cryptocurrency market is very volatile, you know. If you can see here from the graph, like for example, not long ago it was nearly $2,000 and now it's going up to $3,000. The market is very positive, but this could change, you know. So this website is going to give you very accurate exchange rate. So now you might be wondering, okay, so with this said, how are you going to be able to mine cryptocurrency? So I wanted to come to this website, which is called minedgate.com, and here you can see you will make your computer mine for cash. So it's one of the best in the market because it's fast miner, and then you will be able to get into the cryptocurrency mining pool, which is trusted by more than 3.5 million users worldwide. The only thing, you just need to download this mine on your computer and it will start doing all the mining for you. You don't have to worry about anything, you just have to keep your computer running and then it will do everything for you. So it's actually a great opportunity for you to get some cryptocurrency and Ethereum or even other assets. I will personally go for Ethereum because that's what I feel like it will have more worth in the long term, but you can choose whichever you like, you know. Here you can choose the different services, and here you as well, it gives you the option to monitor and keep track of all your stocks, you know. You can see here you can start mining with 5,300,000 other people, you know, tech gurus, and then you will be able to do withdrawal of any coin for very little money. So it's not like you have to wait until you get $100 or more in order to do the withdrawal. You can do almost the withdrawal right away with 0.101 coin, which is actually very helpful as well. Here you can get the most profit while mining, always auto mining coins with the highest exchange rate and squeeze the most profit. So this is the most important thing, is auto mining, which means like it can do it on its own. You don't have to worry about anything. It just as you keep your computer running, it will do all the job for you and you don't have to worry about very much, to be honest, you know. So here you can come, and another good thing that you can actually make money from here is if you click here and you click on the affiliate program. So you will see they have an affiliate program where you will get different percentage on your sales. So you can see here the percentage for your profit as a beginner, intermediate, or the profit as an expert will say, you know. Here is the number of affiliates you will refer, and here is the number of affiliates you will refer, and here you will need more than 31 affiliates, but you will get 60% of your profit, you know, from everybody that will mine cryptocurrency. So again, it's another side income for you apart from the idea of mining cryptocurrency, you know. As I say, the best option for me will be to mine Ethereum, but you can choose whichever coin you like, and then if you want to make extra money, you can go into the affiliate program and start getting a commission by referring to other people. And then, you know, like how the boom is the cryptocurrencies right now, everybody wants to mine cryptocurrency. So if you can provide them with a good way to mine this cryptocurrency, then, you know, I'm sure that you will be able to get a lot of affiliate commissions out of that, you know. So with that said, guys, this is all I wanted to share with you with today's strategy. You know, you can choose from all the different cryptocurrencies that you like. You got different options, so you can come here, choose your wallet, and you can do so many different things, including exploring dApps, accessing DeFi. You can withdraw to the bank, you can get high volume purchases and so on. And then your Ethereum wallet, you can connect whichever Ethereum wallet you want, and this is how it works, you know. You can start mining right away with this software that I showed you, which is minedgate.com, and then, you know, you can just have a look at the market and see which are the best options for you to mine. Me personally, I think Ethereum is the best, and then you can go into a different website where you can get different exchange rates like exchangerate.guru, you know. So with that said, I hope that you have very a lot of success when it comes with your cryptocurrency. Keep mining, keep making profits, and then if you want to find out and learn alternative ways how you can make money online with cryptocurrency, then go in the first link in the description. I have a training there which it will explain you everything that you need to know when it comes to the fundamentals and getting your cryptocurrency on your wallet and exchange it for your cash, guys. So I hope that you have a great day. I hope that you're very successful with this strategy and with the cryptocurrency mining, and then I will come very, very soon with more content so you can enjoy it, and most importantly you can benefit from this to make money online. So take care, guys, and I wish you all the best.